So who doesn't want to get rid of unwanted hair? But how do you do that is the biggest question. There are a lot of options like waxing, shaving, and the best of all, laser hair reduction. So let's talk about why laser hair reduction has become the most wanted aesthetic skin procedure. How does it work? And what are its advantages over other alternatives like waxing and shaving? Now let's quickly run through on how does the laser hair removal work. So the laser beam hitting the skin is absorbed by the melanin pigment which is present in the hair shaft, which is responsible for ultimately destroying the hair follicle. Now each hair has a growing cycle which has multiple phases like growing phase, shedding phase and resting phase. Laser beam only targets the hair which is in the growing phase. The hair which is not in the growing phase is not targeted. Hence, we require multiple sittings, often between 6 to 8, to get the dream result that we want. So why should you consider LHR? There is reduction in the density of hair. With each session, the growth rate of the hair is significantly reduced. There is change in the texture of hair. From dark, thick and long, the hair changes to thin, fine and light colored hair. Then there is relief from ingrown hair, giving skin a very smooth texture. The results are long lasting as compared to other alternatives like shaving and waxing, where you have to frequently repeat your sessions. With latest technologies, these procedures are absolutely safe and painless. They're also more cost effective in long term because we spend endlessly on shaving creams, razors and waxing over decades, whereas in just 6 to 8 sittings of LHR you can get the desired results. We know that a lot of you have some myths about laser hair reduction. Now let's look at the facts behind these myths. Many people think that after getting the procedure, the hair come back thicker and darker. But in fact, there is visible reduction in growth rate, density and thickness of the hair. After each session, there is 20% reduction in growth rate. The hair also becomes thinner and lighter, finer after each session. Many people think that laser hair removal is not safe. However, that's not the case. When laser hair reduction is done under the guidance of a dermatologist, it's absolutely safe. A dermatologist is a right judge to choose the right parameters which are dependent on the body part, the type of hair and skin complexion. Some people think that laser hair reduction is not safe because it emits radiations. However, it does not emit any radiation, so it's absolutely safe to get the procedure done. You might think that we can achieve permanent hair reduction in just one sitting. That's not true. Laser hair reduction only targets hair follicles in the growing phase. Hence, we require 6 to 8 sittings to achieve the desired results. Depending on genes and hormonal factors, some people may require additional sittings. You might have heard that laser hair reduction can cause burns and there will be after effects. This is extremely rare when done under the guidance of a dermatologist, as a dermatologist is going to be the right judge to choose the best parameters for your skin. They also advise you on pre and post procedure care. Also, some people say that laser hair reduction is painful. This is absolutely not true. During the procedure, you might feel a little bit of warm sensation, but no pain. This procedure is much more comfortable than waxing. Now, looking at the name, it might come across as very expensive procedure. Waxing costs less per session, but it is much more expensive in long term. The long-term investment for lasers is lesser as compared to traditional methods which give temporary results like waxing and shaving. Now, for underarms, over a course of 20 years, women spent around 2.5 lakhs on waxing. Whereas for lasers, it'll just cost them a couple of thousands. Not to forget the time and the energy spent on frequent visits to the parlor. Overall, lasers are much more cost effective, they're safe, and they give you quick and long lasting results.